Hello, this is Tim again. I hope you've been enjoying my video and especially the exercises on Fretboard Basics. And you may have noticed that we haven't covered all the frets yet. So there are still some notes or frets to be found on your fretboard, and we are going to deal with these notes in today's video. Now we've learned the music alphabet so far, that is the note names from A to G. And we have yet to learn two more symbols or signs in music, and these signs are called the accidentals. And those two accidentals are the flat and the sharp sign. You can combine either of these signs with any note, any letter learned so far. Let's have a look at the flat sign first. And the flat sign combined with a note makes the note sound lower in pitch. And it acts just like a minus in mathematics. So for example, take an A on your G string. It's the second fret. If you combine this A with a flat sign, the new note is called A flat. And you have to subtract 1. So 2 minus 1 equals 1. And there is the A flat. Let's have a look at another note. For example, D. The D is on the 7th fret. And if you combine a D with a flat sign, the new note is called D flat. And it's located on the 6th fret on your G string. The cool thing is there are no exceptions. So these new signs shouldn't be very difficult to learn. In our exercise, we combine the note names, that is, the letters of the alphabet, with a flat sign. So we start from A, playing A flat. Next is B, B flat, followed by C flat, D flat, and so on until we reach G flat. And closing the exercise, we play another A flat on top. Let's play every note 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The sharp sign, or sharp symbol, is the exact opposite of the flat sign. When you combine a sharp with a note name, you have to add 1 fret instead of subtract 1 fret. And so, having a look at an A, if we combine the letter A, the note A, with a sharp symbol, the new note is called A sharp, and it's located 1 fret higher. 2 plus 1 equals 3, so it's on the 3rd fret. If we have a look at the D, it's on the 7th fret on your G string, and if we combine the D with the sharp, it becomes a D sharp, of course, and you have to add 1 fret again. And since the D is located on the 7th fret, D sharp is located on the 8th fret. Our next exercise combines the note names, the musical alphabet, with the sharp sign. We start from A sharp, going to B sharp, C sharp, and so on, until we reach G sharp. And then, at the end of our exercise, we add a high A sharp. And let's play every note 3 times again. 1, 2, 3. In playing exercise 4 and 5, you might have noticed that every note, every fret, every position has got 2 names. If we have a look at fret number 3 on the G string, this note can be called A sharp, starting from an A plus 1, or B flat, starting from B, subtracting 1. And so every fret, every position has got 2 names. That's completely normal music, and we call this fact enharmonic spelling. So a B flat would be enharmonically equivalent to an A sharp. There are 2 very interesting cases though. Let's have a look at fret number 5. This note is a C. It's not a D flat, it's a C. And it's enharmonically equivalent to B sharp, B plus 1. Let's have a look at fret number 10. Here the note name, the proper note name would be F. It's not a G flat, it's an F. And it can also be called E sharp. So E sharp and F are enharmonic equivalents. Our last exercise for today is kind of a riddle. You get 4 note names and you have to write down the number of the fret where this note can be located on your G string, and try to locate these notes between 0 fret, open string, and the 12th fret. So somewhere between those 2 points. The notes you have to find on your G string are G sharp, F flat, C sharp, E flat. You can find the solution and more information on my website. That's all for today for our second part of Fretboard Basics. Hope you've had some fun. See you soon. Cheers.